Let me show you how easy it is to embed a MindStudio agent into Squarespace web page platform. So as a reminder, for new MindStudio accounts, you get unlimited embedding of agents on the individual plan right here. So let me show you how easy this is. Let me come back to my agent, click on the name of the agent to the root, and now I must come to embedding, which is under sharing, and then select this enable guest access, which will be in this state or off by default, like you see it now. Click on enable, and now you get this code from which to embed into your target platform, in this case, into Squarespace. So now let me copy this code, come over to my Squarespace page that I want to embed this into, and then click on edit. And now I have this empty page here. Let me click on add section, and then I want to select add a blank section. And then I need to select add a block. So here we see a number of different blocks we can use in Squarespace in this section. What is not intuitive is do not use the embed option, use the code option. And now you get this placeholder for embedding this code. Click on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Replace this code with the embedding code from your MindStudio agent. And now what I'm going to do is slightly adjust this a little bit. And one thing I need to make sure that I do here, I think I almost forgot, I need to publish this now that I've enabled this. Come back to my web page here, and then select, I'm going to slightly adjust the height and width of this. I'm going to set this to 800 pixels wide by 800 pixels height. And now we see here, this is my agent, what it looks like. And so now I can insert this. Now let me click Save. And then Exit. And now here we see this embedded agent in MindStudio. Now I can actually use this. It's very easy to use. So this is very easy to do. Now I'm going to extract the colors out of this. And this is using the old style preview, where it is showing the preview of the actual workflow running as each block is activated or triggered. And then it generates a PDF that I can download of the color swatches and what their hex color codes are. So this is very easy to do to be able to embed an MindStudio agent into Squarespace. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.